Hello everyone. Today I have a very solid OTC pick for you. On my screen we have ticker RTON, also known as Rton Brands Inc. Company. And in front of you I have the daily chart opened up. And we can see that it is currently sitting at a price per share of 0.0051 after a very nice daily candle was formed on the 25th of June right here. So in this video, we will discuss why this nice daily candle formed on the 25th of June, any catalyst that the company dropped, my near short-term price prediction for this company, and what needs to happen for the price to continue moving upwards. So if you are new to the channel, it would mean a lot if you could leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Definitely subscribe because I will be dropping a lot of content regarding OTCs and many hot plays where a good dollar can be made. So here we have the security details for ticker RTON. We can see that it is sitting at a market cap of about 28 million, has about 5.5 billion outstanding shares. And these are relatively good numbers that you want to be seeing regarding market cap and outstanding shares for a ticker that's priced below a cent. This outstanding shares of about 5.5 billion gives this company a lot of room to grow because 5.5 billion shares isn't a lot relatively compared to other OTC companies such as HCMC, which has over 300 billion shares outstanding. So now let's get into some of the catalysts that has been dropped by Rton Brands. Here we can see that this article was dropped on the 21st of June and it's titled Rton Brands discusses growing sales, upcoming filings, and first export order with the Stock Day podcast. So I'm not going to read this entire article for you guys. I will just go over the main points that I found the most important. So here in the second paragraph, it says, Jolly began the interview by asking about the company's background and current projects. The CEO said, we have two lines of business. One is Humbly Hemp, which offers a hemp-based drink and hemp-based energy bar. We also have a line called Endo Brands, which deals with endocannabinoids that are found in the hemp plant. And he continues to say that this year we have started selling Delta 8 and it has taken off like crazy. People love our Delta 8 gummies, vapes, and flowers, said the CEO, adding that the company has also opened up a new store north of Dallas, Texas. This is also great news. Any kind of business growth, such as opening new stores, is very good news for us shareholders. He continues saying, we're seeing sales go up every day. We're seeing new customers come in every week, and it's been an amazing experience watching the growth of the new store and the new products. Overall, a very positive paragraph in this article that shows a lot of growth for the company in the future. Moving further along to the seventh paragraph, we see that the CEO then elaborated on recent announcement by the SEC, which encouraged OTC traded to get their financials in order by September of this year. So if you guys are not aware, a lot of OTCs will become untradeable by September of this year if they're not pink current. Many OTCs that are on OTCmarkets.com that have the stop sign will become untradeable due to this new SEC agreement. So he continues to say that we totally agree with what the SEC is doing. Our Q1, which is the period June 30th, 2020, has been filed. The period 9/30 for 2020 is being filed before June 21st of this year. I expect the period ending 12/31/2020 to also be filed by July 4th at the latest. And I expect our K to be filed right after that, continued the CEO. I don't see any problems with us meeting SEC deadline. And then the article continues to say, correction, the company now says that it will be filed by June 25th, 2021. So going back to the daily chart, that's the day that this big upwards move began. And that's because Rton Brands dropped news that they are now current with the SEC on June 25th. So they were actually able to get their information and financials verified before their predicted July 4th date, which is also a great sign. So here we have the article dropped by Rton Brands, which states that they are now current with the SEC, which was posted on June 25th at 8:30 in the morning Eastern Time. The article goes on to say that Rton Brands Inc., a developer of a broad line of hemp and CBD-based foods, beverages, tinctures, and topical products, and now the exciting new 100% federally legal Delta 8 product line, is proud to announce that it has finally completed its third quarter filings with the SEC and has become pink current. Becoming pink current in the world of OTCs is great catalyst, and it almost always will lead to the price increasing. This has been a big step in a long process, and our CFO has done a tremendous job for all of us. We look forward to moving forward and moving Rton to a higher exchange. We are on target to file our 10K. Rton Brands also introduced Endo Brands vending machines that has already achieved approval for use in select markets. The Endo brand biometric vending machine will be distributed and maintained by owners into satellite locations such as smoke shops, beer distributors, and convenience stores. Endo brand's biometric vending machine will carry a variety of goods such as Endo Delta 8 vapes, Delta 8 tinctures, and flowering buds, and our best seller Endo Ease roll-on. These biometric machines will create a significantly positive impact on the future profitability of our operations. That is exactly what we want to see. Significant positive impact on our profitability in our future operations. Wonderful news. Let's keep going. Our products have been approved by the makers of these machines for future locations. We have also received inquiries from South Florida, Austin, Texas, and Laredo, Texas for brick and mortar stores and San Antonio for a vending machine. As mentioned in our audio on the Uptick Newswire radio show with Everett Jolly, we have received our first international order from Mexico. We are excited for this development. Rton Brands in the last several weeks has been overwhelmed by early sale traffic at our corporate location, fueling new interest in license ownership, says the CEO of Rton Brands. The Endo Brands biometric vending machine will be a game changer for license owners by effectively increasing their retail footprint. With proper placement of vending machines in satellite locations and brick and mortar stores, we believe it could increase the overall profitability. We are very excited about this new development, and we sincerely believe that this will be a contributing catalyst to help motivate rapid license owned and operated growth. So, not only does this article state that Rton Brands is now current with SEC, it is also giving us further insight to future business operations that is being taken by the company. And as we can see by what was just read, they're all positive developments. From opening up brick and mortar stores to having international business, as they said, in Mexico, their first order for Mexico. Overall, great catalyst, and I'm pretty excited with how the price per share will react to all this positive news being dropped by Rton Brands Inc. So now I have the intraday chart opened up. We are on the 5-minute time frame, and Friday's trading day started right here. So the news was dropped at 8:30 a.m. in the pre-market. Rton Brands announced that they're now pink current. And so as the market opened up right here at 9:30, we saw upwards movement followed by a spike from 0.004 to about 0.005. After that spike, a decent ascending triangle was formed right here with an unfortunate fake to the upside. So we had a fake out breakout here, which is usually a concern for panic, but we have still held EMA pretty nicely, curled back up to trying to push for new highs again, failing again, and then curling up to the end of the day, ending at a price of 0.0051 as of Friday. So from my trading experience, something that I've noticed is a big difference between OTC stocks and NASDAQ stocks is that small caps in NASDAQ perform breakouts much cleaner than OTCs. A lot of times OTCs will fake break to the upside, sell out those newly entered longs right about here while still managing to hold the stock bullish, leading to a further consolidation and then breakout. So that's personally what I think will happen with RTON. So here on the 15-minute time frame, we can see a bit more cleanly what had happened. We had the fake out breakout to 0.0051, followed by the flush of the new long positions while still perfectly retesting and holding VWAP, leading to more consolidation and then curling. And at the end of the day, it looks like we are about to break to the upside. So my prediction for Monday is that we will break this 0.0051 level and continue pushing higher. So in regards to where I see the price per share heading in the near future, definitely a test of 0.006 and 0.007 will be the first to watch. After that, a test of this 0.011 level could definitely very well happen, and if that level is broken, due to this being an OTC with no overhead resistance, the potential gain is infinite. This can run wild. So that is currently why this is on watch. Those two levels followed by that all-time high level of 0.011, and we will see what happens in the next week. So that has been the video. If you guys have enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you very soon with another hot OTC pick. Later.